Hey everybody, it's Rusty Pop with Pop Properties of Antero Real Estate Services, and I'm really excited to bring this one to you. This is 5894 Moraga Avenue in San Jose, California, 95123. We're tucked up towards the foothills here in a beautiful Blossom Valley location. A very nice, picturesque street here on Moraga Avenue, but not far from Calero or Cahalan Park. This house is 1,228 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, sitting on almost a 6,000 square foot lot. And speaking of that lot, the front yard is gorgeous. It's been recently redone with super low maintenance but beautiful landscaping, succulent plants in the front, as well as a crushed granite setting. Inside the house, we have a really great floor plan. It is a smaller home at 1,228 square feet. It does have 4 bedrooms, but it doesn't feel cramped at all. You have a really big kitchen with a dining room combo. You also have this living room behind me. There's a lot of upgrades about this house. First of all, the exterior of the home has been recently repainted and looks absolutely beautiful. And the whole entire house has been redone with LVP flooring. We also have fresh paint throughout the entire interior. You have granite countertops, really well-maintained cabinets, and updated appliances in the kitchen as well. When it comes to upgrades, there's both the cosmetic ones and then there's also the capital upgrades. These are the ones that cost a lot of money but don't really shine the same way countertops do, for example. We have double pane windows in this house, and that's really important for energy efficiency and noise canceling. Of course, in this neighborhood, you won't need that because it's extremely quiet. That being said, these windows are not only double pane, they're extra large, which allows a lot of natural sunlight to come into the property. Another capital upgrade on this house is the central air conditioning. Super efficient for this house, cools it down really quick on those summer days, but you won't need it every single day in San Jose. One of the other things I love about this house is it's really a blank slate. It's a great house for you to make your own. You know, a lot of times when you see homes on the market, they've already been redone and they're completely remodeled from top to bottom, and that's great, but you don't get to pick the finishes. This is a house where you're actually be able to come in and decide what you want to do with this space and make it truly your own. We're sandwiched between Calero and Santa Teresa, which is a really nice pocket of Blossom Valley, where it's really close to Cahalan Park, it's close to the elementary and the middle school, not to mention Oakridge Mall, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and all the shopping and dining that you would want that's associated with this neighborhood. It's such a quiet street, you wouldn't even know that any of that is close by, but it is. It's a great commute location. We're close to 85 and 87, both of which take you to downtown San Jose, where Google plans to build its largest US campus. Takes you right up to Peninsula, where all of the tech giants that Silicon Valley is world renowned for all are headquartered. In addition to that, you have Almaden Lake, hiking nearby in the mountains, and you're really close to Morgan Hill and Gilroy, which is becoming increasingly popular for wine tasting. As always, I want to say thank you for watching this video presentation of this beautiful house. If you have any questions about this house, 5894 Moraga Avenue, or really any house in the Silicon Valley, I'd be more than happy to talk to you. You can text me or give me a call at the number that's on the screen. Have a great day, and we hope to see you at the open houses.